plenty of people have commented on the state of the lights on my Porsche Boxster 987. So today we're going to sand them up, polish them up and make them look slightly newer, as if they haven't been through too many British winters. Let's crack on. So on camera, these lights probably look a lot worse than they actually are. They're not properly yellow, but they're not clear. So we're going to start off with P800 grit, then we're going to move to P1200 grit, then we're going to move to P2000 grit and see how they come up. Now I did this on these headlights about 12 months ago, and it's quite a frustrating job, but you've got to kind of trust in the process, because it looks way foggier than it did before, but that's obviously because I've sanded it, right? So it's not until you start putting the polish on you see the results. You gotta trust the process. Even now I'm second guessing myself. But if we have a quick look over to the other side, it's far more yellow on this side. It didn't look yellow to begin with, but it obviously was, because this has gone much sort of like a whiter colour and faded. Go over that again, I think. Okay, that's 2000, but I think I'm going to go higher. Because I can still kind of see scratches, which I know some of these, well, a lot of them will polish out, but just to make the polishing easier, if you go to a higher grit like 3000, it's not necessarily a necessity, but it does make the polishing easier. And I think I want to do it justice. Starting to look better now. And just to show the difference already, that's 3000 grit, and I haven't started on this one. I'm really hoping the camera picks this up because they look completely different. So that's sanding done on this right headlight. I'm now going to move on to polishing. We're getting there. Makes a massive difference to the car. Really happy with that. It's not perfect, it doesn't look brand new, but 20-year-old lights are never going to look brand new, in my opinion. So, same thing on this side now, and then we're done. This is one of these jobs that you kind of wish you hadn't started. Now, for those of you that haven't seen, I am selling this Porsche Boxster 987 after 2 years of ownership. I did put a video out just last week on why I'm selling this, because we haven't got space on the drive, it doesn't get driven. Me and Angharad are going through IVF to have a baby, and a two-seater convertible probably isn't wise because, you know, we need money, all of those reasons. But it's not because I don't love the car. And I did want to make that clear in the video last week. And many of the comments now have me second guessing. I genuinely don't want to sell this car. I really don't want to. It's a case of sort of needs must in this scenario. And I even had a couple of people say they're unsubscribing because they only followed me because I have this car, which, fair enough. I don't know why they chose to tell me that, but still, I'm sorry to see you go, and I'm sorry that you don't enjoy any of my other content, only the Porsche stuff. But, and there is a big but here, I am a big Porsche fan. I've had a Porsche Cayenne, which I loved, probably one of my favourite cars. And just because I'm selling this Porsche doesn't mean I'm not going to get another one. Kind of a subtle hint in there, or not so subtle. But cleaning this car has made me realise how much I really do love this car. I really do love this car. So again, just wanted to touch on the fact that I'm not selling it because I don't want it and I don't like it. For all the sensitive folk out there. So this side is actually cleaned up a lot better than that side, just with sanding. So much clearer. Now obviously I'm going to polish, but hopefully on the camera you can see the difference already. It's literally night and day. And I've done exactly the same sanding process. It just seems to me that the left hand side on your right, as you're looking at it, just sanded up so nicely. Now time to polish it. There's one thing about cleaning cars Some might say this is detailing, but I don't know if I call it detailing. You need a lot of patience. Something which I could probably do more of, or certainly having more. You can already see just with one pass of polish, the difference is incredible. Okay, I put a little bit more elbow grease into that, and look at that. That's come out incredibly. So now I need to work on this one a little bit more, because they look very different. I'm well happy with the results of that. Looks so much better. Whew. Now I have chosen to do the lights on their own without actually cleaning the whole car, because unless you haven't been watching this video, it is absolutely boiling today. Way too hot to be cleaning cars. And the gazebo is not at my house at the moment, so we're just doing the lights, just in case anyone was wondering. So that's how I sand and polish the headlights on any of my cars, but today was the Porsche Boxster 987, and I think that's turned out pretty well. Feel free to let me know in the comments where I went wrong. There's probably some technique I used which I shouldn't have, but if you've watched this far, well done. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe, like, comment, share, do what you want. Show some love.